The Repeat Grid feature has a few magical tricks like controlling spacing as you've seen. You can also quickly replace either images or text in bulk by dragging them from the Finder onto the Repeat Grid region. Let's go ahead and replace the remainder of the images using this technique. If you're following along with me, you're going to want to go locate your XD Tutorial Images folder and make sure that you have your Repeat Grid region selected here on the design canvas. In that XD Tutorial Images folder, I want to come in and select everything but the Talon image. I've already used that one. So I'll just come in and grab the 4 images that I do want, and all I need to do is drag them on top of one of the 2 image fields in the Repeat Grid that are on the artboard. If I were to drag on the 2 that are lying outside the artboard that are grayed out, it wouldn't allow me to update the image set. When I release the mouse, the lower 3 images are replaced, just like that. To be honest, I could have just dragged the 3 new images to add to the first in the list. By dragging all 4, it'll go ahead and replace the second, third, and fourth image and leave that first image in its original position.